The process of hiding or pausing a community is a common inquiry, particularly for those running online businesses who may need to temporarily remove their community from view while making improvements or additions. This may be necessary when the community is not yet up to standard, and the owner wants to refine it before making it visible again. Fortunately, this process is straightforward and can be managed through the account dashboard. To begin, navigate to the home screen and locate the left-hand dashboard, which features an icon resembling a rocket ship. Clicking on this icon will display a list of communities, from which you can select the one you wish to pause or hide. Once you've located the desired community, click on the three dots associated with it and select the Hide option. A warning will appear, indicating that this action will make the community private and inaccessible via direct link or the Discover Marketplace. If you're okay with this, confirm by clicking Hide. After a brief moment, the page will refresh, and the community will be hidden from view. To verify this, click on the three dots again. If the option now says Unhide, it means the community is indeed private and hidden, and will not appear in searches. This simple process allows you to easily hide or pause your community, making it a useful tool for managing your online presence.